Biachaka-taka. Biachaka-taka. Hey yo, what's up, man? This is your boy Vegan Options, or you can just call me Meech if you know me. Alright, but oh, I wasn't supposed to show y'all that yet. But you know, as you guys may know, last week I started doing my little vegan blog thing, and you know, I'm reviewing vegan restaurants and stores and stuff like that. But look, it wouldn't be right if I didn't show you guys what I got up in my in my kitchen. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you what I got in the cabinet. Of course, you saw what I had in the fridge. I got some mushrooms, some kale and an onion. I'm gonna show you what I can do with that. Alright, yeah, let me just show you what I got here. I got some peanut butter, some corn, some grapeseed oil, some Himalaya, some player from the Himalaya salt right here. Got the got some olive oil. Nothing, man. Nothing really too major. I got my sups over here, supplements. You know what I mean? From rhodiola, Irish sea moss, ginkgo biloba, quinoa. I eat quinoa for today as well. And let me grab these white beans and some coconut milk. Alright, so basically, that's what I got in my cabinet right there. A couple things. And what I'm about to do is just make me some good old soup, right? So, you know, when it's cold outside, it was snowing earlier today. Nice comfort. It was some nice comfort soup. So we're just gonna try to hook that up for you today. Alright? You ready?
Make that quinoa rain on them. Yeah, hey, make that quinoa rain on them. Hey, yeah, make that quinoa rain on them. Yeah, hey, make that quinoa rain on them. Hey, hey, put the mushrooms in the pot. Hey, hey, put the mushrooms in the pot. Hey, hey, dice them onions, dice them up. Hey, hey, dice them onions, dice them up. Oh, okay, 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 lit, it's lit. Okay, it's lit. Hey.
Alright, so just got done dicing the onions. I got the mushrooms sauteing right now up on the stove. Look, I ain't gonna cook them all the way through. I just wanna make them sweat. Hey, what's up, guys? Look, hey, I got everything put in the pot ready to go. The sauteed onions, the sauteed mushrooms, onions, you know, coconut cream, roasted garlic. Yeah, I just threw it all in the pot, man. About to make that soup. It's about to pop. Only thing left to do is to go ahead and add the cooked quinoa and the biawa fasola or the white beans in next. All right, should be good. All right, I'm gonna let you know what the end result is in a moment.
A few moments later.
Yeah, man, boy. Hey, man, this junk look good, man. Let me take bro. Come on.
Damn,
dog.
this shit good.
I know this shit good, dog, but come on, bro. I was about to tell him.
I'm supposed to wait?
Yeah, you supposed to wait. I was about to talk to him.
My bad.
Come on. Man, it's alright, man. It's It's all good. But anyway, man, we got the kill, we got the cream from the coconut milk, we got the, the fried mushroom sitting on top. Ooh, we got the quinoa in there to get that extra protein, man. I'm telling you, this is delicious. Y'all need to go ahead. Hey, look, man, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think. Make it, throw your own spices in there, do your own thing, and let me know how it tastes. All right, signing out. This your boy Vegan Options. Peace.